Acyclovir is a guanosine analog used to treat herpes simplex, varicella zoster, herpes zoster. In this video, let's found. What is acyclovir? What is acyclovir used for? Contraindication. What are the side effects of taking acyclovir? How does acyclovir work? How to use acyclovir? What is acyclovir? Acyclovir, also known as Acyclovir, is an antiviral medication. It is primarily used for the treatment of herpes simplex virus infections, chickenpox, and shingles. Other uses include prevention of cytomegalovirus infections following transplant and severe complications of Epstein-Barr virus infection. Acyclovir was patented in 1974 by Burroughs Wellcome and approved for medical use in 1981. It is on the World Health Organization's list of essential medicines. It is available as a generic medication and is marketed under many brand names worldwide. In 2020, it was the 162nd most commonly prescribed medication in the United States, with more than 3 million prescriptions. What is acyclovir used for? An acyclovir topical cream is indicated to treat recurrent herpes labialis in immunocompetent patients 12 years and older. Acyclovir oral tablets, capsules, and suspensions are indicated to treat herpes zoster, genital herpes, and chickenpox. Acyclovir topical ointment is indicated to treat initial genital herpes and limited non-life-threatening mucocutaneous herpes simplex in immunocompromised patients. An acyclovir cream with hydrocortisone is indicated to treat recurrent herpes labialis and shortening lesion healing time in patients 6 years and older. An acyclovir buccal tablet is indicated for the treatment of recurrent herpes labialis. An acyclovir ophthalmic ointment is indicated to treat acute herpetic keratitis. Contraindication. The only absolute contraindication to acyclovir is hypersensitivity. Cautions include renal failure/impairment, immunocompromised host, potential risk of thrombotic thrombocytopenic purpura, TTP, and hemolytic uremic syndrome, HUS. Regarding pregnancy and lactation, acyclovir has been shown to cross the placenta. Side effects. Common adverse drug reactions, greater than or equal to 1% of patients, associated with systemic acyclovir therapy, oral or 4, include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, encephalopathy, with 4 use only, injection site reactions, with 4 use only, and headache. In high doses, hallucinations have been reported. Infrequent adverse effects, 0.1 to 1% of patients, include agitation, vertigo, confusion, dizziness, edema, arthralgia, sore throat, constipation, abdominal pain, hair loss, rash and weakness. Rare adverse effects, less than 0.1% of patients, include coma, seizures, neutropenia, leukopenia, crystalluria, anorexia, fatigue, hepatitis, Stevens, Johnson syndrome, toxic epidermal necrolysis, thrombotic thrombocytopenic purpura, anaphylaxis, and Cotard's syndrome. Pharmacodynamic. Acyclovir is a nucleoside analog that inhibits the action of viral DNA polymerase and DNA replication of different herpes virus. Acyclovir has a wide therapeutic window as overdose is rare in otherwise healthy patients. Mechanism of action. Acyclovir becomes acyclovir monophosphate due to the action of viral thymidine kinase. Acyclovir monophosphate is converted to the diphosphate form by guanylate kinase. Acyclovir diphosphate is converted to acyclovir triphosphate by nucleoside diphosphatase, pyruvate kinase, creatine kinase, phosphoglycerate kinase, succinyl-CoA synthetase, phosphoenolpyruvate carboxykinase, and adenylosuccinate synthetase. Acyclovir triphosphate has higher affinity for viral DNA polymerase than cellular DNA polymerase and incorporates into the DNA where the missing 2 and 3 carbons causes DNA chain termination. In other cases, acyclovir triphosphate competes so strongly for viral DNA polymerase that other bases cannot associate with the enzyme, inactivating it. Half-life. The clearance of acyclovir varies from 2.5 to 3 hours, depending on the creatinine clearance of the patient. The plasma half-life of acyclovir during hemodialysis is approximately 5 hours. The mean half-life in patients from 7 months to 7 years old is 2.6 hours. Dose: genital herpes. Initial treatment: 200 mg PO Q4HR while awake, 5 times daily, for 10 days or 400 mg PO Q8HR for 7 to 10 days. Intermittent treatment for recurrence: 200 mg PO Q4HR while awake, 5 times daily, for 5 days, initiate at earliest sign or symptom of recurrence. Chronic suppression for recurrence: 400 mg PO Q12HR for up to 12 months, alternatively, 200 mg 3 to 5 times daily. Herpes simplex encephalitis: 10 to 15 mg/kg for Q8HR for 10 days, up to 14 to 21 days reported. Mucocutaneous herpes simplex virus infection. Treatment in immunocompromised patients: 4-5 mg per kilogram Q8HR for 7 days, dosing up to 14 days reported. PO, off-label, 400 mg Q4HR while awake, 5 times daily, for 7 days. Herpes zoster, shingles. Acute treatment: 800 mg PO Q4HR while awake, 5 times daily, for 7 to 10 days. Safety advice. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration considers acyclovir, valacyclovir, and famciclovir category B drugs in pregnancy, but there are few data on early pregnancy exposure. That's all the information about acyclovir we collected. Thanks for listening. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for the HeInfo channel if you like this video to update more health information.